Welcome students in my new tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you to make a program with the help of which you can print the table of any number. So in this program we will input any number and then my program will print the table of that number. So directly we will start. We'll click on File, New File, and then Print. Program to print the table of any number, and then here I have to take any variable which will store the number which I want to input. So here I'll write number. I have taken the variable name as number. So I have taken as integer, because here I'll not take any values like 4.5, 5.5. So as a whole number, integer is okay. And here input, enter the desired number is equal to inverted commas and 2 time brackets, because I have started bracket 2 times, so I have to close 2 times. Enter. Now I'll use for loop for this, and for this I'll take the variable as count. This is a variable which will allow my loop to count, to increase the value one by one. So count is a variable which will increase after each loop. So for count in range, now I am just following the syntax of for, starting from 1 comma 11. I explained you in my previous tutorial also that in this n minus 1 I have to take. That means if I want that my loop should move 10 times, I have to take it till 11, because in for loop always it revolves one time less. Double colon. Now I want to print number. Now what is number? Number is my variable where the desired number is being stored. After this I want to put comma. Then I want to print the symbol of multiply. I'll just do that. Then count, because firstly the count variable will start from 1. So I want to print that also. Count. Then afterwards I want to print is equal to sign, so that also I'll do. And then again comma. And now I want to multiply. What I can multiply? Number. That means any number which I have entered, and it can be multiplied by count variable, because every time the count variable will increase one by one. So I'll just do this. So now my program is completed. So let's save it. Save as. I'll just save it in desktop, students. Table of any number. So let's run the program. Program to print the table of any number. Now I want to enter any number. Suppose I'll enter firstly 2. You could see it has printed the table of 2. Let's try it again. I'll go to taskbar and I'll go to my program, and I'll again press F5 key, and then now I'll use suppose 13. You could see it allows me to print the table of any number whichever I want to print. So I hope the program is very much clear to you, and today you have learned how to print the table of any desired number. So with this I am closing my program, and if you like my explanation then please do like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care, meet you soon in my next program.